So here are 3 Mixolydian licks in the key of E. My first one takes place in my C Mixolydian scale. And the reason why I refer to it as a C shape is because it looks like a C, but we're still in the key of E. Alright, now I'm going to start out with my first finger on the 4th fret, 1st string, and hammer on and pull off on my, from my 4th fret to my 5th fret on the 1st string. Then I'm putting my second finger on the 5th fret, 2nd string, then be hammering on the 3rd string, my 6th fret to my 7th fret. Then be going almost kind of backwards on the lick. 5th fret on my 2nd string, 4th fret on my 1st string. Then be pulling off 7th to my 5th fret to my 4th fret all on the 1st string. It's kind of short, so that should be kind of a nice way to kind of put an ending to a lick maybe you're already playing. If I'm playing in the key of E, maybe I'm in the C shape. Kind of a nice way to end something like that. The second lick is going to be this. This one's kind of neat. I'm taking place in my A shape, but then I'm also kind of ending on the root note up here. Again, we're in E, so that'd be the 12th fret right there. Everything else takes place in my A Mixolydian shape. Again, we're in the key of E. So first, I'm going to be hitting my pinky on the 10th fret, 1st string. Then be going, hammering on and pulling off from my 9th fret on my 1st string all the way out to my 10th fret. Hammer on and pull off. Down to the 7th fret on the 1st string. Then we use my 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 9th fret, and my 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 9th fret. So that's a nice little triad right there. Hitting that 10th fret, hammer on, pull off on the 9th to the 10th, all on the 1st string, and then pull off down to the 7th fret, 9th fret on the 2nd and 3rd string. Now, here, this note, my 2nd finger, is not in the Mixolydian scale, but this one's kind of a chromatic note that we're just adding to the lick to kind of give it some flavor. And the reason why it works so well is because it's in between the 2nd and the 3rd of the scale. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and so that's why it works so well. So, 7th, 8th, 9th on the 2nd string, then be walking down almost just like my A shape right there. So, 7th fret on the 1st string, 9th on the 2nd, 9th on the 3rd, 9th fret on the 4th string. Then I'm just going to be hitting the 12th fret, that root note right there. Alright? So, again, that is 10th fret on the 1st string, hammer on, pull off from the 9th fret to the 10th fret, and then pull off down to the 7th fret, 9th fret, 7th, 8th, 9th on the 2nd string, 7th on the 1st, 9th on the 2nd string, 3rd string, and 4th string, and then 12th fret on the 1st string. The third lick is alright. Now this one's taking place in my E, and also I'm kind of switching down to my E alt Mixolydian shape scale. Alright, we're in the key of E, and we're also in the E shape there. Alright, starting out with my 2nd finger, or my 2nd string, my 1st finger's on the 12th fret, and then I'm going to be going to my 3rd finger. I'm only doing a half step bend on my 14th fret, so I'm kind of aiming for that 15th fret right there. So 12th, 14th, half step bend right there. Holding that for just a second, and then we go on the 12th fret on the 1st string, and then we going 14th fret, pull off to my 12th fret on the 1st string, then 15th to 12th on my 2nd string, 16th to 12th on my 1st string, 15th to 12th on my 2nd string, 12th on the 2nd string, 14th bend up, 12th fret, and then 14th to 12th on the 1st string with a pull off, 15th to 12th on the 2nd string with a pull off, and then 16th to 12th on the 1st string, then the 15th and 12th on the 2nd string. Then we go to the 14th fret on the 3rd string and do a quick bend on my 13th fret right there. Not really too much of a, I guess if I'm aiming for anything, maybe that one, but I'm kind of more thinking of it as just kind of a quick little, I don't know, cool little thing right there. And then I'm going to be pulling off and then sliding from my 14th fret on the 4th string, 12th fret to 11th fret on the 4th string. Then be ending right there on the 14th fret, 5th string. All right. So that second half is.